Hello friends, I am Sharun Tiwari and in today's video I am going to share with you my own MTF portfolio. And before I share with you, I will like to say few points that you have to remember when you are watching my MTF portfolio. So the first thing, why I am showing you portfolio, and then also I will tell you why I am not showing this portfolio. That means you should not take a negative cue from my portfolio. So let me first tell you why I'm showing this portfolio. First thing, to show you that I'm serious about what I'm talking. I'm just not giving you fokat ka gyan, right? So it's not just for knowledge purpose that I'm just giving you because I just have to make a video. I'm serious about MTF. Second thing, walk the talk. What I'm talking, what I'm saying here, I'm doing that same thing. And third thing, skin in the game to show that I also have my money put in there. So I'm just not asking anybody. First thing, I'm not asking anybody to put blindly money anywhere. But again, the most important part, if I'm talking about that to other person that they should invest, do that, should use this MTF strategy, whether I'm using myself, whether I'm putting my own money on this risk, on this portfolio, yes, I'm putting. That's why I'm showing this MTF portfolio too. I started this new Demat account with Mstock recently. Before that, it has with some other broker just to check this MTF, and now I think I built around 40 lakh rupees of this thing, this portfolio. So that's the reason I'm showing. Now let me share with you why I'm not sharing this video. Like, what is not the purpose? So the purpose is not to ask you blindly copy this portfolio. See, my risk profile is different. Your risk profile can be different. I can sit for 5 years, 7 years. I don't have to touch this money. Do you really have the same risk profile? Can you sit with 5 years, or maybe if suppose situation is not good, 7 years with that money? So you have to first decide. So don't blindly cut paste or copy paste all these stocks and buy that because there is something secret I know. No, there is no secret. I know whatever is there in the market. My logic, I will also share the logic of buying these shares, but it is not, definitely it is not something which only I know or some kind of secret research I have done. Of course, I do research, but that's the very normal, basic, fundamental kind of research I do. So first thing, I'm not sharing for that. Second thing, don't go with that what is the losses I have made, or okay sir, you are yourself in losses, your portfolio in dumps, you are in 2 lakh rupees loss, for example. Why you are telling us? See, understand. When you are going for long term, then you have to see the good company at good price. Now, after buying that stock, the stock can further go down. So you can never buy a company when that is at its lowest, which is called a bottom fishing. So there is nothing called a bottom fishing when you are a good investor. You have to average out. If you find a good stock, you buy now, it further falls, you buy further. So when you keep buying like that, there has to be some mark to market losses, but that is not actual losses. It can vanish in few months if stocks start performing. Again, my criteria is to hold it for 3 to 5 years. So I'm not going to check every day what is my losses and all. Third thing, have a understanding that when you are doing long term investment using MTF, you have to incur charges. So in MTF, the one thing is very difficult, which lots of people don't do. Like, you have to see daily interest charges, but your profit will only come after 3 years, 4 years. While people have a habit that I should get profit every day. That's why most of people are habituate about, or they become like it becomes a habit for them to do intraday trading, FNO, where some people talk that they make daily 2%, 5%. In reality, most of people lose money in trading. So there is a say, it's difficult to lose money in long-term investment. It's difficult to gain money in trading and FNO. So the nutshell I want to tell you before I share my portfolio, why I'm giving this gyan, because you, when watching this portfolio, don't get carried away with that. Just understand the logic behind that. Do your own research. If you have any investment advisor, get a suggestion from him, and then only you buy or sell any of these stocks which you are looking for that. I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, and I'm not giving any kind of advisory. I'm just teaching or maybe explaining you the way MTF investment works in long term and what is the logic of my this portfolio. So let's begin. So here is my portfolio, and you can simply see I have taken 12 stocks and my portfolio is approximately I think 42 lakhs. Yeah, 42 lakhs approximately. And I have bought ICE ACC, I have bought Adani Ports, I have bought Ambuja Cement, I have bought Asian Paints, BEL, then I have bought Bharti Airtel, Grasim, Hindalco, Liquid Bees. That is, Liquid Bees is for margin purpose. So I have pledged already, and like it will used in margin if there is a margin shortfall sometime. LTF and Nifty Bees is for ETF. So Nifty ETF, it's ETF investment. And then Tata Steel. So all these stocks I bought it because most of them, if you see, it had three stock is from Adani. So I made one video on Adani. If you just go and watch that, Adani Group was recently beaten down, and there was a very good opportunity to buy some companies, not all the companies. So I bought these three companies: ACC, Adani Ports, and Ambuja. Then Asian Paints, already I made a video on Asian Paints, that why Asian Paints look lucrative to me. Even the media is saying that it's not a company, it should not be bought, it should not be sold. But I'm saying this is a very good stock if you're thinking long term. Again, it's my own perspective. Then all these stocks, BL is a very good defense stocks which I'm considering right to buy because it was quite up. Now it's quite down. So slowly I'm picking up some stocks. Then Bharti Airtel, it's very good stock, especially if you're talking about telecom. And as the AI is coming, we need more, like a more internet, faster speed, 5G. And this Airtel, definitely they are going to make a quite good money whenever the 5G will roll out in all the country. Grasim, Hindalco, there has been like their market leader in their field. LTF, the same thing. And so most of the stock I bought it is stocks which are like kind of market leader in their field. They are going down because every stock are getting sold. So when every stock is getting sold, that time only you got the golden opportunity to buy good stocks at quite a good price. And understand, in stock market, you don't have to make it complicated. If you buy good stock at good price now, whenever market will reverse, these stocks will be first to come up, right? And that's the whole idea. The whole idea is to hold, buy and accumulate good stocks so that later when market reverse, these stocks will lead and I will make money. Very simple. I do not believe in making things complicated. So hope friends you get an idea about why I bought these stocks, right? What is the purpose of that? What is the logic? So I will not explain each and every logic, but the simple thing is most of these stocks have been heavyweight in their field. They're mostly large cap stocks, and most of them has been broken down more than 20%, 25% from their peak. So now another question people ask, sir, there is a loss of 4 lakh rupees. Why it is showing? Because I'm accumulating stocks when they are going down. As and when they are going down, I have to buy. So if you really want to be a successful investor, make this habit to see losses in your portfolio. Maybe it is going to sit for quite some time, but when things will change, it will become in profit. So that is the different ball game. If you make this habit to see your portfolio in losses, in long term, you will make profit. If you make this habit to see profit every day, you will always will be not able to pick up good stock, because many times, let me tell you, people are scared of making decisions. In stock market you have to make decisions, sometimes very hard decisions. So sometimes when stocks are unpopular, everybody is saying that this stock is not good, you have to do your research, your fundamental analysis. You have to find out some information, and then you find out that this is stock where the big players are buying stock quietly. So you have to act like big investors, not like small investors. So that's all friends in this video. Hope you like this video. If you have any other question or related to MTF, please let me know. And if you like this video, subscribe and share. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.